Okay, so welcome back. And in this series, as we are watching about, sorry, as we are watching again, sorry, as we are watching about the Claude, that what are the different features of Claude, and here we have come and we have already covered the Claude chat feature which was there and other uh, tools within the chat feature which we had. So now we look at the other Claude products which are there in the market, and there's a lot of confusion, believe me, there's a lot of confusion around the products. Okay, so first of all, the Claude co-work which we see and the Claude code which we see, both are very different products. And let me tell you one thing, that both of these are not available on free tier. Yes, sorry for that, but it's not available. So for this you have to upgrade for the code. And even for the, yeah, you see there's no co-work feature right now. Let me switch on the model of, okay, yes. So if you look at this, my paid account, so here is the Claude code thing which is there, and you can use it. And also we have a co-work. Okay, we have a co-work. So what does the co-work mean, and what does all these things mean? So first of all, co-work is basically working along with you in your own system. So you can always Claude give a folder to the Claude, and that folder will be accessible by the Claude into the system, and the Claude can read all the files which are there inside of that folder, all uh, the file directory, the subfolders, and all that thing it will be able to do. And people give this use case of organize my folders and all. I'll talk it about it later on, that why this is not a right use case for Claude Cowork. And Claude Cowork is built for much more than just organizing your messy downloads folder or organizing your messy any kind of folder. Okay, that's not what Claude Cowork was meant for. But okay, for now, any model you can assign to Claude, and you can co-work along with it. If you can make a particular file, you can ask it to generate some file. You can say that when I put this file, please do the other works, please complete the steps B, C, D, E when I do the step A, and can work alongside of you. Okay, that's what the co-work was originally meant for. And the code, now code basically you can use it from here as well. You can use it from here, and you can add the particular folders and add a folder. You can import GitHub repository. Now again, GitHub might be a very foreign term for you. We'll look at all these things of how for, because when we look at Claude code, then it has to do a lot around this VS code things. Okay, that is why I tend to restrain myself from talking a lot about Claude Code in my sessions, but fine. But I'll just show you how I use Claude Code. Okay, I showed you my uses of Claude Code, and I've been using it quite for a long time. So I'll just show you how do I use Claude Code. I'm just trying to get this thing fit inside this window. Yes. So this is how I use Claude Code. Now I'm not sure whether how much you'll be able to relate to things over here, but okay. So how do I use Claude Code? You use Claude Code over here. It's a VS Code. Now, if this might look foreign to you, might very alien to you, but this is how Claude Code works. This is your, what we call it, any particular marketplace where you browse for extensions. Similar, you can do a browsing of this, and then you can add Claude Code. This Claude Code will be here, and then you can install the Claude Code using this. Okay, I've already installed, the uninstall options come. Otherwise for you, install option will come. Now once you install the Claude Code, it will again, it is available only on the pro account. It will, this orange icon will be created over here. Okay, so once that orange icon gets created, when start Claude Code, here it will ask you for a verification, and that verification simply you just have to click on that link, open it in a browser, log in with your pro account, and then the verification automatic submits. Okay, it will give you a code, just copy that code and paste it over here, and it will start. So here, how do I use Claude Code? I basically use auto mode. Auto mode basically means that it can automatically run all the commands, because I've already made sure that all the gate checks and all the boundaries are set, so that I know that it won't be doing anything beyond what is expected to be done. Otherwise people do the edit automatically mode, where it can edit, but it will ask for you for your permissions. And manual basically means it won't be editing, it will ask you before any edits as well. And plan mode is basically it will not edit anything, just plan on how to do the things. Okay, we will look in much detail when we do the practical things. We'll be looking at all these, how to use Claude Code and how do you do, but first it's very important to know that what exactly is Claude Code. Again, the tokens are used by this. So you can look at, if I I am able to show you any previous, maybe not. Okay, yeah. So you can just see that for the YouTube playlist, I did some Claude coding and all. So that is how it gave me a lot of responses. So it will do like this. It will just write, it will think, and then say what is it thinking and do a lot of things. Okay, so that is how you can simply see how Claude code works. Done. So this is around the Claude code and the Claude cowork, as I explained. There are two different aspects. Okay, and Claude code is majorly for Claude coding, as I showed you. Now next comes the Claude design. So Claude design, one of a recent, I guess it was launched on April 26th, not very old, right? So yeah. So when you talk of Claude design, you'll see this small angle which is here, and if I open it in a new tab, which I believe is not allowed. Okay, I'll have to open it in the same tab. So I can go through Claude. It was specifically built for making your designs, mobile app designs, slides, documents, wireframes of how your web application will work, UI mockups, resumes, 3D objects, and whatnot. Okay, HTML files and all. So I, as a finance professional, I had one work of explaining a what you call it, an accounting video to students, that how does AS02 inventories work, and I had to make some characters for the universe. So that is how I made it. So this was the character I made, and all these are designed by the Claude code. That who are the characters, all these characters names and all, because it already had that Claude memory, and it did the designs. Okay, so if you look at, I also hosted it somewhere. I also hosted it in, I guess, in my website Kahani and all. So yeah, this was how I made this entire thing using Claude Code. So this is how I explain AS02, that how AS02 is done to students when they want more of a graphical way of interacting. And also these are some basic use case like office signboards. You will obviously make some signboards which you want, and so those office signboards can be created. So there's some very basic use cases. Okay, that's it. So this is on the Claude design. Claude design, one of our latest feature of Claude. Now Claude in Excel. So Claude in Excel is quite not recent. Claude in Excel was came quite old. Like it came earlier. But if you look at this, so inside of Excel, if you go to get add-ins and if you type Claude, so there are two add-ins by Claude till now. Okay, something went wrong. Let's see. So there are two add-ins: Claude by Anthropic for Microsoft for Excel. One is for Excel. This Claude by Earlier, what has happened that initially it brought just for Excel. Its feature was just for Excel, and then it later on expanded to the entire Microsoft suite, just like a Copilot. So yes, so this was launched on last year. Okay, it's having some issue, but okay, it's launched last year, and this was launched this year only. It's launched in one of the latest tools. It's launched like May 26th. Okay, and it works around all the PowerPoint or Excel or Word, all other Microsoft aspects, just like the Copilot. Okay, and also this requires the, and this was launched last year in 2025, October 25 it was launched just for Excel. Okay, so if you have a messy data kind of it, and if you're not sure with the Excel formulas, so if you want something inside of your Claude, so yes, you can get it inside. So I have both of these installed, and it will be automatically coming into Word as well as your PowerPoint presentations and everything. Okay, so this was around the Claude Excel. Claude in Chrome. So Claude in Chrome is again something which is very different than web search. Okay, so Claude in Chrome is a Chrome extension which we have, and you can simply have this extension where Claude is over here, right? So Claude can fill forms for you. So I'll just show how Claude extensions works particularly. So you can see that Claude has come. I have to log in through my paid account, and then it will be, so you have some authorize I have to do, and then it will automatically start working. Okay, so Claude in your Chrome, to try a demo. So these are some demos, like you can fill the form. Inbox is full of marketing. Can Claude archive only the RVSP? So around the emails, around the filling of a form or filling of any other things, all those things are there. So that can be done. Okay, these are around the Claude. So there are some instructions which you should know. That Claude can take screenshot when responding, so privacy concerns might be there, because all the data which is going to Claude Anthropic servers depends on whether you have trained, you have allowed training of module. We'll talk about this in data security, the security aspects. Okay, so all these things are there. So let me not enable it right now. So this was on the Claude Chrome, which is very different product, and again a paid product. Second thing which we have is cowork and code. I guess we already have discussed this much in details. You can have the cowork is different and code is different. And there are some important links about the Claude cowork guide. How do we go around the cowork and what are the different samples or the demos which we have for the cowork. So these are some of the products which Claude has. Definitely it's not over. We'll go and have one more part. So yes, see you again in the upcoming videos.